Hello friends, today I am going to show you different Arabic flower petals pattern. So here is a session for practicing different Arabic flower with petals. So here I am going to show you maximum possible petals from my side to add in your Arabic design, also in the traditional design. So let us start. So first you need to comfortably draw, you need to comfortable drawing with this spiral shape. I have already uploaded video how to draw, how to practice for this for the making of this spiral shape. And the second one you need to practice is making with circle. So for both, just refer my video Mehndi Class for Beginners, Techniques for Drawing Circle and Spiral Shape. So this will be the center part of this Arabic flower, different Arabic flower and petals. So here I am going to add different variety of petals. So let us start with the very first one. Now you can add variety of center. See, here I am drawing three circles, three parallel circles. Now just cover it with some tiny designs. You can make number of combinations with the center of petal and center of flower and petals. Now next center, here I am showing you the center of flower. So there are maximum possibilities for the for drawing center. At some place you can just redraw again and again to make dark, to make the outer circle dark. This is the second method for drawing the center part of Arabic design. Then the next one is spiral shape. Then you can cover it with another circle with thin line. Then the next one is again spiral shape. Now I am going to cover it with some tiny designs which will surround this spiral shape. Then the next possibility is just draw one circle and directly cover it with this tiny design and put dot in the center part of this circle. Then the next method is draw one circle very dark and again draw circle Then here just put little dots. Another method to make the center of flower, put one draw one circle, then draw another circle, put here dots, and here some tiny designs. Once again, I am telling you, this session is for beginners and not for the professionals. And this is, I am showing you the center part of making Arabic flower. Later on, I will show you different possible petals. But first we need to learn, first we need to make practice for drawing center part of flower. Then the one simplest form of drawing center part of flower is just one circle. The next possibility, just make one circle and just surround it. There are no any single rules for drawing center of flower. You can add your own creation, you can add your own creativity, you can add your own combination. Now just fill it. Next is make circle, make another parallel line and apply some checks in between. And here some design. Now in the next center part of petal, I am going to draw small checks. For this you need to do more practice. Then another possibility, apply dots in the center part as well as the second circle. Then the next possibility is we are going to apply shading. Now apply some shading and add thick dot in the center of circle. Then the next possible center part is apply checks and one by one fill the crossing square. Then again surround it with some design. Now in this one just draw lines and apply dots. Then the latest techniques that different artists are using for drawing Gulf style flowers. So they are making number of different parallel rounds as the center of flower. So it should be thick and thin one by one. So now I'm going to apply henna lightly to draw this third circle. Now again the fourth one will be darkened. So here I am pressing my cone little bit more compared with the previous circle. So this method is majority used for drawing center part for different Gulf style flowers. So here just observe the varieties of different various number of center part of flower, different techniques you can see. So you can draw or you can use any of this for drawing Gulf style or Arabic flower. Now let us here with the use of this different center of flower, just I am going to illustrating you. If I want to use this method for drawing Arabic flower, then you can use like now again apply one more layer. Now just draw petals. Here I am drawing a very basic popular petal styles. In the next session, in the next video, I am going to show you different possible petals. This is just for the demonstration. So this is what different center part of flowers. Now in the next session, whenever I give you the different petals pattern. Then you can use number of combinations like permutation combination. There are number of possibilities. There are number of combinations for petal and the center of this flower. So you can make number of variety of flowers. Now the same petaled flower I can draw by changing the center part of this. If I am adding this center as a for Arabic flower, so it will change somehow the look of flower. So you can add, so you can make number of flowers according to the combination of this center part. And in the next session I'm going to going to show you different number of varieties for the petals. You can increase and decrease the size of flower also. Now here I have chosen I just have selected this pattern for drawing center. Now I am going to apply same pattern as I did in the previous first demonstration. Now here also I am going to apply the same pattern, but here little bit I have decreased the petal size. So this will give new look to the design. So thus you can with the best combination you can add varieties in your design. Now see the difference between this flower and this flower. Just observe and compare these two flowers. I have only changed the center of these flowers. In this one I have selected this center part for making Arabic flower, and for the second one I have selected this as a center part of flower. In this first demonstration I have created big petals, and in the second demonstration I have created small petals and have applied some dots in the petal. Just see the pattern of this pattern or the design of petals in the both flower is same, but somewhat observe the somehow just observe the look. So here I am going to apply shading. You can see the difference between these two flowers. See, petals are same. The shape of petals are same. The shape of petal is this in this both demonstration flower, but the variety I have added is for the center part. For the center part I have added this variety. Now just observe that for the same petal you can draw how many flowers, different flowers. So as the total number of this center patterns. So for the same pattern, for the same petal you can create as many number of flowers. So thus now in the next video I am going to show you different petals for drawing different petals. So just make practice for different variety of centers and different variety of petals. Then you can combine it and you can create number of Arabic flowers. And also in the next session I am going to show you how to fill petals in the different way. So thus you can apply combination according to your interest. You can apply number of combinations by selecting any one of center part of flower, and by selecting its appropriate pattern. So thus you can create your own design, and later on we'll show you how to compare different designs. So thank you for watching. Now again I'm telling you this session is for the beginners, and in this session I have focused mainly the center of flower for Arabic flower, and in the one example I have demonstrated the use of this any of this center with this pattern. So you can add number of varieties in the petals with any combination of this center of this flower. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel, and also to learn this art, to learn this Mehndi or Henna art, you need to more practice and practice. With the practice only you will observe improvement in your speed as well as in your perfection, and you can also share this basic techniques with your friends, those who want to learn this art. So share this basic video, basic learning techniques video with your friends, those who want to learn this art. So thank you.